And good luck sa tanan. Good morning everyone. May request everyone to please stand. And before we start singing our we will give God all the praises and glory.